Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Auntie Off. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Beauty Blender. Not really reviewing, like they sent me my right shades, so I'm just gonna do a light beat with it. I'm gonna put the foundation and the concealer, and we're just gonna beat this face using their products. But I wanted to show you guys my wig from UNice Hair. I recently did a review for them. The video is gonna be down below, but this is a 13x4 lace front straight bob wig. It is a highlighted wig. Obviously it came like this. It is pre-plucked with baby hairs, and it was 150 density, and I think it was 12 inches, and then I cut it down and fixed it up a little bit. So if you guys want to see the installation for this video, it's going to be down below. Yeah, so shout out to UNice Hair for sending me this wig. We're gonna get right into this video. Today is about 87 degrees going on 90, and I really don't want to be outside in the hot with a full beat face on. So we're gonna do a very light beat using Beauty Blenders, their new foundation and their new concealers. So these concealers, I'm not really gonna open all of them. I'm just gonna open one that is my shade, and these two foundations, one of them is the last shade, and I think that is called Blend 4.70. Oh, they both says Blend. I'm gonna find the shades for y'all, but we about to open these and beat this face. Ooh, and another thing I wanted to show you guys, Young Africana's lashes. These are so pretty to me. Look, they are, oh, please don't mind my nails, but these are so pretty to me. I really can't wait to wear them. So guys, first thing first, we're gonna be using e.l.f. primer. This is the mineral infused, and it comes off as clear. And we're just gonna prime my face real quick. So guys, this is how the concealers look. I made them send me 3 different shades. All the 3 shades are close to the last 3 shades of dark. So I think I'm gonna go off just by looking at the bottle, because nobody got time to be doing swatches and stuff. So I'm just gonna use Deep Chestnut as my concealer. And for foundation, so this is 470 and this is 475. I think I'm gonna go off of 475 just to be safe, or we could try 470 and see if it's my shade or not. I don't put on foundation with a beauty blender, but this, you know, it got the shape and everything, so we're just gonna use the beauty blender. So you already know me, I wanted to save this. They sent me this tool, but we're gonna use it. It's so cute. All right, so, oh my God, I'm dropping everything. So I guess, so this is 470. We're just gonna test it out and see if it's my shade. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing, guys. But we just gonna use this anyway. 470. Guys, surprisingly, I'm using this today. This is like a very light foundation, and it's dumb hot today. You already know I wasn't gonna put a lot of makeup on, but it's crazy how this came off light though. Like, it's crazy. This is gonna be my summer foundation. Do I need more? I can't really tell. Let me blend the rest out with a brush. So I guess that's it. So for concealer, we're going to be using Deep Chestnut. This is the shade 4.55. That looks light, don't you think? So now we're gonna blend this out. That blended okay. Y'all, it's hot in my room too, so I don't know what I'm gonna do outside today. Yes, I am going outside. Gotta go outside. All right, so since that is all blended in and it blended so well, you know, I'm just feeling, off of this whole beat, I'm just feeling like this is super light because it's 90 degrees outside and nobody got time for their face to be falling off. So we're using our Thrive Cosmetics translucent powder to set our face. Y'all, if y'all can hear Amir crying, I'm sorry. If y'all don't know who Amir is, that's my godson. So guys, for this beat, I didn't go in with the Fenty cream for contour. I'm just gonna use the dark palette that I have that has like the dark brown in it. I'm just gonna use that because it's too hot. So y'all, now I'm gonna be using this Kiss powder. It's the shade Cognac, and I'm just gonna put it over the setting powder. Now I'm using the dark brown in this palette just for contour. Okay guys, so now we're going to be putting on these beautiful lashes right here. So we're gonna put a little bit blush. So guys, this is how the Calm makeup look ended up looking. Even though it's mad hot right now, like I'm sweating, I don't know if you guys can really peep, but I primed today, you know, I primed my face. We're gonna keep it calm. But big shout out to Beauty Blender because this was a very light foundation and it was full coverage, as y'all can see. And the concealer, like, it was like regular concealer, but it was still a good beat. Like, look at this beat, it's a good beat. So shout out to them. And guys, another big shout out to UNice Hair from AliExpress. They sent me this beautiful bob, a 13x4 lace front bob, and it's a highlight wig. This hair was so soft. This is day 6 and it still looked like this. I ended up adding elastic bands, so this is a glueless unit. You guys can do the same. You glue it down the first day and you set it up as it is set up with the baby hairs, and then you just add your elastic bands to the side and then you can wear it whenever you want. So if you guys want to do the same, all the information will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching me, you know. Thank you for always watching me. Bye.